What's up, guys? It's me, 69, and I'm here with It's Ghost, and he's really cool. You should subscribe to him. It's Ghost. How about you introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Ghost, of course. Um, Me and 69 are very good at Fortnite. He's good friend. He looks like Jesus, but it's fine. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and a like button if you want to get a cookie.
Yes. Subscribe to him, and he gives away cookies because why not?
Mm-hmm. Nope.
Anyways, it's time for question time. Do 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 do. Okay. Question one. What's your favorite
Nope.
game? What's your favorite game?
Fortnite.
Okay. Second question.
Or if it wasn't Fortnite, it would be the Black Ops franchise.
Okay. Second question. What's your favorite type of pasta?
I don't know.
Okay, very good choice. And question three. What's your favorite animal?
Pigeons.
Oh, okay. That was
I like pigeons a lot.
Okay. Oh, okay. Well, do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions for me?
A few moments.
Hello? Are you alive?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, my pigeons came out the oven. I had to go get them. So yeah,
So
as I was saying, why is your hair so long?
what? Hold on. You weren't talking about that at all. Anyway, my hair's long because I like long, and everyone calls me Jesus at school. Anyway, do you have any actual questions for me?
Actual question. Why do you scream a lot?
Um, um, um,
No, I do not scream. No. I never ever scream. That's ridiculous. No, I don't scream. I don't know what you're talking about. No, never, ever. No.
Alright, that was loud. So, do you have any other questions? Or anything to show?
I really don't know. Who do you like?
Well, my Minecraft girlfriend.
Oh my god, that's hot.
Well,
that's all the questions I really have.
Oh, okay. Hey, so do you have you sure you don't have anything else to ask?
Wait, actually, I have one more thing to say.
Okay.
Can I show the video?
Yeah, sure. Oh, that was really stupid. And I also have to put all those videos in the description now. Thanks. Hello? 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 We'll be right back. You know what? I give up. I give up. You know what? This whole episode has been just a big filler episode. I'm just done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm all sick of it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.